Greetings everyone, hope you're all keeping well out there. As I'm sure you all know by now, my name is Alex and today we are having a little look at these, which is apparently a pair of covert spy glasses. Now I've no idea what you'd need them for. I mean, imagine you got to record a job interview or something on a one-to-one or something in a room maybe, I do not know what. Use your imagination on that one, and you want to record it with audio in a fairly decent high quality video as well, don't forget, but without them knowing about it. But with these are apparently glasses that house a rather small 1080p full HD resolution camera as well as a microphone, so it records pretty much what you see without giving the game away because they are housed in a pair of fake glasses. Now I don't know why, but for some reason they've decided to send them like this. There's no box, there was no packaging whatsoever, it was just literally a bag, which is a bit disappointing because I would have liked to have seen the outer packaging, and I'm always quite curious as to how well the box is designed and of course how well it actually holds the item that you paid for. So let's get rid of this bag, and we've got some bubble wrap there, which is always nice, and inside this, don't need that, we have an instruction manual, a fairly decent size micro USB port. That is super long. What's that? Good foot there. A cleaning cloth. Oh, and there's another bit of extra packaging there. And here we have the glasses themselves in a bit of a static bag there. And there they are. And straight away, I can tell you they are totally made of plastic, and they do feel quite cheap, but they actually look like real glasses. I was expecting something a lot more bulkier, maybe even a lot more heavier, because they are really light, and there's hardly any weight in them at all. So on the actual glasses themselves, we've got here a little sticker which confirms it is the 1080p version. On the left hand side here, we've got a little button which looks like it's obviously the on, off, or maybe a reset, I don't know. Yes, we'll have a look at that shortly. And on here, it looks like that's where your charging port is, yes, for the micro USB. And here we go. They are pretty neat. They look just like normal glasses. Let's have a quick look at some of these specifications here, because I'm not too sure exactly how good they are. I'm going to put them there like that so you can see them. But here we've got some rather dodgy looking instructions here. Technical parameters, that is what it states here, not tech or specifications, technical parameters. I like that. So the video format is recorded in an AVI and 30 frames per second. So it's a shame it's not 60 or even 120. It takes pictures as well, captured in a JPEG format. And apparently the pixel ratio is 12 megapixels. 12 megapixels? I doubt that. I think that's a misprint. I could be wrong. 12 megapixels? No, I don't believe it is. But it is captured in a 4:3 format for pictures. 16:9 for the HD, obviously video, but for pictures it is a 4:3 format. But I'm happy with them. Okay, yeah, they do feel a bit cheap, a bit plasticky, but look, they just look like glasses. How amazing is that? So I think what we need to do, I'm going to insert my memory card, if I can find out where it goes. And we're going to take a quick picture of something and see what the picture quality is like first. Okay, so I've got my micro memory card, whatever you want to call it, and hopefully I can get it back out. Right, okay, so that's actually quite secure, so it won't fall out. And there you go, once we actually have them on, there's no way it's actually housed in the casing as well. So that's good to know, you're not going to lose your memory card there, especially if you've got a high class one that you paid a lot of money for. Let's get something to take a picture with. How about this? A nice aloe vera plant. So let's take a picture. Okay then, so it's definitely not a 12 megapixel camera, that is most definitely not. In fact, it looks almost to me, maybe it's a misprint, it's a 1.2 megapixel. You can see what it was, you can see it was a plant, and the colours were quite vibrant, but the quality was fairly low, and as you saw it as well, it was in a 4:3 format. But in terms of video, that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put these on and I'm going to go to the shop and buy a can of Coke, and then we're going to see whether I'm suspected of recording them, but just see how good the video quality is as well, and just see how well they actually work. Okay, so I'm walking down the street. Looks like it might rain. The cam, please, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers, man. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Ciao now. A success. It actually worked. I can't believe I got away with that. The sound quality wasn't the best. I mean, the video quality was quite good. I was quite happy with that. It looks like it was interpolated. You know, maybe it wasn't true HD. It was, you know, I don't know, I could be wrong, but you could generally see what was going on as well as hear what was happening around me. So I'm quite pleased with them, and I'm quite surprised how cheap these are, considering that you've got a mini camera, mini microphone, all housed within a pair of fake glasses. Still, however, if you've got any questions or comments you'd like to ask me about these, then please feel free to put them in the comment section below and I will get back to you with the answer as quickly as possible. And of course, not forgetting, if you did enjoy this video and of course you do like tech, then please show your appreciation by giving it a wonderful thumbs up and of course clicking that fantastic subscribe button. But until next time, thank you once again for watching and I'll hopefully see you at some point very soon. Thank you.